Alright, so today gonna pack the bearings. I already cleaned out most of the garbage that's in there. So, just gonna pack her in. Now that I got it all packed in there, take a piece of wood, just smear it all in, like so. And right there, she is packed. Now, do the other one. This one I decided not to take off. I figured, what the heck? It's on there. It ain't going nowhere. I'm just going to pack her. Just like this. Be a little harder, but it'll get done. And like so. I know it looks like a mess, but when it's ready to go, when I put the caps on, it will set the preload with those caps, and then it'll squish the rest of it all the way in there. Alright, that's it. Alright, that's it. So there we go. So, that is all. Tune in for the next episode when I sandblast it. Get this ready to go, and then after I sandblast it, I pick the color and all that, and see what color we get, and then we'll start assembling. Then hopefully be time to cast the pulley, or maybe make it out of wood. Who knows? I haven't decided that yet. But anytime, if you would please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. That way you get to see the latest and greatest content on YouTube. Alright, later.